I'm here at Microplus Engineering, and Adam, who runs the company, is buzzing about this Star SW20 machine. So I've got Matt from Star to give us the lowdown. Now, I know he's really happy about this machine. He's got a part, this one here, that is shaved, I think it's a quarter of the time off. So he's saving a lot of time, but can you give me a bit of a technical specification on the machine, Matt?
Yeah, with the machine itself, it's slightly different from our other machines because it's a twin platen.
Right.
With the twin platen, the benefits of that, you can do overlapping work as well. You've got the two independent axes, so you can do balance turning, balance milling, and you've got the super positioning on the X3 as well. So that's where he's getting the time savings on that component. So it opens up a wide range of different components he can do in his workshop.
And he's really impressed with the build of this machine, and it's different to the other Star machines, right?
So there's so much more to the machine. So it's got 11 axes. So with that, you can do so much more work on the front of the machine, cross-working, balance turning, balance milling as well, which speeds the process up. You've got an independent axis on one of the platens, X3, so it's got super positioning. With the speed of that machine as well, with the super positioning, with the twin platens, it gives you the added benefit of idle times. So you're reducing those idle times between tool positions, so you're speeding the process up as well. On the sub spindle, you've got 8 tools as well, and with that you can do a lot more cross working as well. And you've got the power is the same on the main spindle to the sub spindle as well, so you can do a lot of work on both. You don't have to balance it out as much. You can still hit the work as hard on the sub spindle. And also it can go up to 22.2 mil bar as well, even though it's a 20 mil machine as well. Which leads me nicely onto this part that Adam's producing. With this part, it's a fantastic part to produce on the SW for 2 reasons. The length and the tolerance, because it's got a long parts kit on as well, so it can produce longer parts. So with this part, he's producing it in one, so he's balance turning it, then he's milling it as well and holding it to 5 microns, moving it across, holding it on the sub spindle, so it's keeping the straightness of the bar, turning it again down to the next aperture where he's milling it, picking that up, and then the sub spindle's holding it again and producing the rest of the part, and keeps moving it across gradually so it comes off complete. And I know Adam was saying as well, one of the other companies that were looking at doing this was struggling to keep the straightness of the component.
Yeah.
But on this he isn't, because how he's holding it on the sub spindle and producing it as well.
So in summary, Matt, what is the SW20 machine all about?
The SW20 machine, it's a workhorse, it's a brute of a machine, because people don't realise what you can actually do on it. With the turning capability and the milling capabilities, you're getting kind of best of both worlds as well. So for some machines and subcontracting companies, it's fantastic because you can produce nearly any type of component you want on it.